And welcome back to the auto curling event. Team Honda is looking great out there, Jane.
Already the CR-V and the Accord have strong positioning over the competition.
That's right, Jane, and here comes the Civic to round out an already impressive lineup.
Sweep!
And they're grounding the edge.
That is impressive.
Sweep!
Here they come, straight up to the final ending.
Gotta go! Gotta go! Harder! Harder!
Looks like he's engaged stability control, Brent.
Pay attention, folks.
There's no catching them now.
Honda's moving in. I think they're going to capture this. Honda is going to take it.
This is going to be a good one, folks.
And I believe they've done it. Honda has taken the house.
There was no stopping Honda today.
This is Honda's house.
Test drive a winner. Visit your Greater Knoxville Honda dealers today.